There's a new there's a new Subway Surfers game, of course. Subway Surfers is back.
Oh man. Come on. Here we go.
Wow. Yeah, I know there's a trailer, but I wonder how the gameplay is actually going to be like for after years, after decades. They'll probably release a new, they'll come back and release a new game, which is very cool. It's very cool, but like this is the trailer. I wonder how the gameplay is going to be. I probably have new skateboards and crazier, crazier scenarios. I know it's probably more advanced because we're 2026, big 2026. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What the heck? So I'll probably they can fly. Wait, even the dog is chasing them now. Oh my goodness! And they can fly the boat. This is insane, guys. Like this is just a game, like bro. All this just for something. Okay. What's going on? Bro. Register now. Wow. That's an interesting gameplay. I don't know exactly how the gameplay is gonna be because this was a trailer, but it's gonna be very interesting to see like what they cooked up, because it seems like there's gonna be more. Probably gonna be just more drama, obviously, more drama, maybe more graphics, maybe a newer city, better places to go. So it's gonna be very interesting. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be very interesting. I think. Service stuff has what's brought us up in here growing up. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to see what interesting to see what they come up with.